Hello guys, today we are going to see how to assemble a Sprig Requiem blade. Okay, first there are three parts. Just take this part. Sprig Requiem is dual spin blade. Okay, see, this one is right, this one is left, vice versa. Okay, okay. Just take this metal part, keep this inside, make this two protrusions assemble to these holes, push it in. Later you press lock the blue color button with the forefinger. Later you rotate. If the white color part, this white color portion rotates along with this metal, the assembly will not happen. If you could not press this blue color portion with your forefinger firmly, then the second option is just press hold this white color portion and rotate. Later it will assemble. This is a technique to assemble the Sprig Requiem blade. Thank you.